Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Engineering E-Learning Hub. In this video, we are going to do static analysis of stepped bar using SolidWorks. So the stepped bar was given. So stepped bar is with a diameter of 30 mm and another diameter of 20 mm. And first element is of 2400 mm and second element is of 1600 mm. And a point load was applied at third nodes, that is P is equals to 50 kilonewtons. So in theoretical, we consider two elements, element 1 and element 2 as shown in the figure, but we are doing 3D analysis using SolidWorks so that there may be n number of uh, elements and uh, nodes. So let us do static analysis of uh, bar element. So first of all, select on front plane and click on the normal tool and then click on sketch. So click on circle and from the origin, draw a circle and diameter given was 30 mm. So click 30 and then OK. And go for features, click on extrude boss. Now give the length as 2400 mm and click OK. Then now put it in this fit view, zoom to fit. And then now select this surface for stepped bar, make it a normal tool. And then click sketch and click on circle. And then from the origin, draw a circle. And then its diameter is 20 mm. Click OK. Then click on features and extruded boss. So the length here is 1600 mm. And click OK. Make it an isometric view. Then click on evaluate and then click on simulation exercise for FA analysis. Then right side you can see, click on next. Now we need to add a fixture. So to add fixture at this portion, so I need to turn it using your scroll button. Click on that surface and fix it now. Now, once again, I need to turn it to the surface where we need to apply the loads. Then click at right side, click on next. Then add a force. Click force on the surface. So the direction is opposite direction. So make it a reverse direction. Click on reverse direction and then load will be 50,000 newtons. Click OK. Then at right side, click next. We need to choose material. Click on choose material and then given material was ASTM A3016. Click on apply and then close it. So at right side, you can observe that ASTM A3016 we have selected. Then click on next. Then click on run simulation. So now simulation is going to be started. Simulation done. And then animation, we see it. So stop the animation and click. So it was asking, does the part deform as you expected? Yes, continue. Then here we can see that show von Mises stresses. So yield strength is 2.5 into 10 to the power of 8. And then what we got maximum 1 mesh stress, which is a 4.4 into 10 to the power of 7. So our this stripped bar is safe. And then displacement, we can see that that is a 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 mm. That means it's a 0.53 mm. So displacement is also okay. So click on done viewing results and then click on generate a report. Need to write here static analysis of stepped bar using SolidWorks. Then browse here for, so I need to put it on a desktop. So desktop I already created CAE lab folder, select that folder and here give name. So I will give it as a static analysis of stepped bar. Now click on generate. So now it started generating Word document. So here we can see the generated report. So this is the model, the solid, and then volumetric properties were given here. And then we can see that the model type and then yield strength and tensile strength of the stripped bar were given and load applied and then fixtures and loads were given in this figure. You can observe it. And then meshing information details were given. So here you can observe meshing. So you can observe the meshing over here. Here 1 mesh stress is also noted. And then displacement noted here. The deformed shape also given. So total number of nodes. So everything was shown in the.
Like, comment, and subscribe.